Hi everybody. Once again, I'm reorganizing my craft room. I just have too much stuff in here and too little space. So today, I was putting my stamps in my 3-ring binder, and I looked over and saw this stack. I have a cardstock. Now, this has probably been done, it's probably been shown. I haven't seen it, so I'm showing it now. And this is basically for the beginners who have the same problem. If you're like me, when you go to the craft store and you want cardstock, you end up buying a pack for one project, and you might use a few sheets out of it. Well, what do you do with all that extra paper? It sits on a shelf until you need it again, taking up space. I have decided to eliminate some stacks. So, whenever I go to thrift stores or into Walmart or somewhere, I check clearance aisles at Walmart. And this particular 2-inch binder I got for $1.50 at Walmart on clearance. And there was nothing wrong with it. It was just a leftover from school supplies. My page labels that I'm using, sheet protectors actually, I got at a thrift store. It's a box of Staples brand clear, and there's 200 in here, and I got it at a thrift store for 50 cents. Never been opened. If somebody cleaned out their office or whatever. So what I've done is I've gathered the paper by the colors I have, and most of them all fit into one sheet protector. It's a little tough getting them in there. You have to kind of bend them in the middle to get them in first when you put a lot in one sheet protector. But as you can see, it's a pretty good size stack of paper that is in each sheet protector. And it's going to eliminate space on my shelf where I can put something that I need there, like my paints and stuff. I'm going to come back and do some tabs on them. Sorry about that. Craft-A-Latch, you know what that is? So when I take out one of these pieces of paper to use for something, I will use a scrap of it to make a tab so that I know just by glancing I can flip right to it. And of course the back section is all my pinks. I have a lot of the pinks and still more to put in. But for $1.50 and what did I say this was, 50 cents a quarter, maybe it's under $2. I have nice storage that's going to protect the paper from dust and whatever. It's going to keep it from getting all bunched up on the shelf or torn or, aged on the shelf. So here's an idea for you beginning crafters on how to protect your paper and how to store it. And another idea is when you go to put these down, you can always do them like so in the shelf. So just remember or label your things of what you have. I'm thinking I'm going to put mine on a bottom shelf to hold it, weight on the bottom, and just lay them with, have the spine in the front and then reverse it. But if I color coordinate them, I'll remember what's where. And two, once they get pretty full, you'll be able to just look at the binding and this part of it and see, oh, okay, this is my cardstock, but another one would be my stamps and so forth. So there's an idea. I hope you can use it, and I hope it was helpful to you. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.